Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to teach you how to add extension of free VPN. Actually this is one of the VPN, VPN. So this is very good. This is very good, very good VPN for changing your IP address. Like you can see overview, fast, ultra secure and easy to use VPN service to protect your privacy online. Enjoy unlimited traffic and bandwidth. VPN unblock access to website. Enjoy your favorite web services, media and game fast and safe no matter where you are. Get the VPN free. See, no matter where you are, get the VPN free VPN Chrome extension and ensure your freedom. Get yourself the necessary resources, access to total protection of the internet connection, user or services, and assign yourself a new IP address. Then enjoy your privacy. The VPN extension guards you against frauds and hackers. It hides your location and secures your personal data. You see, it's very useful VPN. I personally use this VPN. You can see here there are 4.7 out of 5 the ratio rating of this VPN. So here we will go to add extension. Here you're gonna to allow, not cancel. So add extension here, and then you will see here the extension is almost done. So you click here. Here it's open. So now it will take you to, you can go to free VPN extension. You can see here to continue. So here you can add your change your IP address for your thing. Thank you. Next time